Have you ever felt stuck staring at a blank screen, wishing your words could magically write themselves? Well, what if I told you in 2025 that magic actually exists? And it's called AI. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 AI writing tools that are changing the game for bloggers, content creators, and marketers everywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your style, your workflow, and your budget, so you can spend less time writing and more time growing. And don't forget, check the description below for all the links, reviews, and bonus resources for every tool I cover. So let's dive in. First up is the one and only Jasper AI, formerly known as Jarvis. Jasper is one of the OGs of AI writing. What makes Jasper stand out is how polished and professional it feels. This isn't some half-baked tool. You can create blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and even marketing campaigns, all powered by an AI that actually understands tone and brand voice. Jasper even lets you upload examples of your writing to mimic your personal style, and it integrates seamlessly with tools like Grammarly, Surfer SEO, and even their own AI image generator. Now here's the catch. Jasper isn't cheap. Plans start at $49 a month, and for teams or brand-level assets, you're looking at $69 plus. But if you're serious about brand consistency, automation, and scalability, Jasper is a powerhouse. Check the description below for more information. Next up is AnyWord, and this one is for the performance marketers out there. If you're obsessed with click-through rates, conversions, and testing your headlines until they're perfect, this tool is your new best friend. AnyWord is especially strong when it comes to writing ads and social media captions. It doesn't just generate content, it gives your copy an engagement score, so you know which version is likely to perform best. It connects directly to platforms like Google Ads and Meta, and even adapts your tone for different audiences. Downside, it's a bit pricey for its focus feature set, and it's not the most versatile for long-form blogging. But for marketers who want data-backed content, it delivers. Link in the description to see how AnyWord compares to Jasper. Now let's talk about Writer.com. This one's for the corporate crowd. Writer is a compliance-first AI writing tool. It helps your whole team stay on brand, follow legal rules, and avoid saying anything you shouldn't. It's ideal for industries like healthcare, finance, and enterprise-level operations, where even a slight mistake can cause serious issues. It works like a Grammarly on steroids, monitoring for tone, accuracy, and even internal style guides. But heads up, Writer takes some setup. It's not plug-and-play like Jasper or AnyWord. Still, if you're running a big team with a legal department breathing down your neck, Writer is a safe bet. Pricing starts at $18 per user/month and scales up with your team. Alright SEO nerds, this one's for you. Meet WriteSonic. If you want your blog post to rank, get clicks, and drive traffic, WriteSonic brings built-in SEO right into the writing process. It offers tools like keyword analysis, competitor research, and even different quality levels depending on your budget or needs. And yes, you can go full GPT-4 or even try the newer 6.0 models. Here's the deal though, pricing and usage credits can get confusing. There are different versions of their article writer, and it can take some trial and error to figure out which one works best for your niche. But when it works, it really works. Great for freelancers, agencies, and anyone publishing regularly. Right, Sonic starts at just $20 per month. Pretty competitive if you're smart about using your credits. More info in the description. Need something budget-friendly? RYTR is your go-to. This tool might not have all the bells and whistles of Jasper or Writesonic, but for only $9 per month, it's a steal. You can write blog intros, outlines, add copy, and product descriptions. Plus, their free plan gives you up to 10,000 characters, perfect for experimenting before you commit. Now, you won't get the most cutting-edge models here. It's likely based on GPT-3, and customization is pretty basic. But for side hustlers, beginners, or students dipping their toes into AI writing, RYTR is simple, clean, and gets the job done. We've got a link to a free trial in the description. And finally, we have the wild card, Pseudowrite. This tool is unlike anything else on this list. While most AI writing tools focus on business content, Pseudowrite is all about fiction writing. It helps with character creation, plot development, and vivid descriptions, even offering sensory prompts to spice up your storytelling. Writers can brainstorm scenes, get name suggestions, or even let the AI write a paragraph or two to get over writer's block. But be warned, Pseudowrite can sometimes produce weird metaphors or generic plots. It's not for everyone. That said, if you're a novelist, scriptwriter, or love creative writing, this might be your AI co-writer. Pricing starts at $19 per month, and honestly, it's super fun to play with. Check below for demos, walkthroughs, and creative writing templates. So there you have it, the top 6 AI writing tools that are shaking up the content world in 2025. Each one has its own strength. Jasper for brand-focused marketing, Anyword for ad performance, Writer for legal compliant teams, Writesonic for SEO lovers, RYTR for budget-conscious creators, Pseudowrite for creative fiction writers. But before you pick one, here's a secret tip. Try using 2 tools together. Use Jasper for your outlines, then polish with Writesonic's SEO tools. Or write with RYTR and optimize headlines in Anyword. You don't need to stick to one AI. Mix and match for the best results. And remember, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss out on the latest AI tools and software reviews. Drop a comment below. Let me know which AI writing tool you're using or planning to try. Until next time, keep creating, keep writing, and let the AI do the heavy lifting.